also wants to see a fight, right? We don't want to see a run. I'm gonna run. This is the way I fight.
I know he has that glass jaw, so I know where to hit him. Okay? I know where to hit him.
When Mayweather said he didn't know the difference between one Mexican and the other one, let me just tell you like this, how you can tell the difference. This one has fucking balls.
When you knocked on my door, and I said, hello, Satan, I believe it is time to go. Me and the day